Hello, boys and girls. It's Mr. Barry with Pre-K Math again today. Today we're going to be using the shape, the hexagon, and I want to show you how we can, with the different triangles here, I'm going to put some around on the top of the hexagon here, and I want to see if you can tell how many triangles I used to cover it so far. We don't have it covered completely, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you tell that there's some spaces on there that I need to fill in? How many triangles do you think I'm going to need to fill in those empty spaces? Let's see. If I take some more, there's 3 at the top that almost make the shape of a trapezoid, and 1 triangle at the bottom. And if I put another triangle here, and another triangle here, I've covered the top of the hexagon. So it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It took 6 triangles to cover the top of the hexagon. Now, we're going to go ahead now with some cubes that kind of show how we can change the combination of different groups of numbers here. If I'm going to take, let's count and see how many cubes that I have in this train right here. Put it right. Let's say I put it right here. We'll put that here just a minute. Let's look and see how many we have. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got 8 cubes connected here. Now I'm going to take my one tower and I'm going to make 2 equal towers. I'm going to take it apart here. Now let's see. I'm going to set them right here. I'll move my plate out of the way here. I think I need that right now. Have 2 towers just like this. And let's be sure that even while they look the same in height, let's be sure that we have the same number in each one. See, right here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cubes in this tower. In this tower I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cubes in this tower. Now, each of these is the same. They're the same height, the same number. But now look what happens when I take this tower right here. I'm going to take all these apart. Take all these apart now right here. And I'm going to put them together in a different way. I'm going to put this one over here. And I'm going to put this one right here. And I'm going to put this one up here. Now look right there. Now, do they look the same anymore? It's not as tall as this one, is it? But let's see if it still has the same number of cubes. There's 1, and then on the front 2, 3, 4. So it still has 4 cubes, but it's in a different formation. So so even though the number it changes in shape, it still has just the same amount of cubes. Now, and let's see, on another one here, let's see if I can do something a little different here. What if I took this cube off and put it over here? Does this one still have the same as this one? They look very different. Let's look right here and see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if we can remember over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So even though they're different, there's still the same number of cubes. So we have 4 here and 4 here. So these, even though they moved around, they're still the same combination of numbers. Now this might be something you can do at home and kind of play with some connecting blocks that you may have, or just make make a stack of blocks and kind of change the way you put them together. And you can make the same combinations using different numbers. Okay, boys and girls, thank you so much, and we will see you tomorrow for another lesson with shapes.